Namaste, myself Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we learn 9th class lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is Atmosphere. This is part 4th video of this lesson. In this lesson now we are going to know about the winds. What is meant by wind? The meaning of the wind is the horizontal movement of the air is called as wind. Now we are going to see what are the benefits of wind movements. The winds play a crucial role in transporting heat and moisture across the world. That is why no part of the world gets too cold, too hot for life to survive. So these are the beneficiary things for wind forces. Now let me explain here winds. Winds broadly divided into WINDS, winds. Okay, winds broadly divided into 3 categorized. Okay, planetary winds. This is what planetary winds. Okay, planetary winds. Next one is seasonal winds. Okay, seasonal winds. Next one is SEASO, seasonal winds. Okay, seasonal winds. Next one is local winds. Now in this context, what is meant by planetary winds? The winds which are blowing across the globe, over the globe, is known as planetary winds. See, this is globe, imagine. See, likewise here all the latitudes are there. So these winds, they blow across the winds. Now again, planetary winds, they divided into 3 categories. Among them, trade winds. First of all, you focus here, trade winds. So trade winds, TRADE, trade winds. See, next one is westerly winds, westerlies winds, or westerly winds. We both are correct only. Okay, westerlies or westerly. Next, polar winds. It is that polar winds. We focus these winds. Let me take one more slide here. Okay, now see here. Now focus here one by one. The wind zones. Now as you know that this is the equator, 0 degrees longest latitude is known as equator. This equator is receiving more sunshine. Due to this sunshine, this area is receiving low pressure area. The low pressure is taking place because of due to the sunshine. That is, we know that. Now next, one more zone I am taking here. From north part of the latitude and the southern part of the latitude, these two regions called as what? Tropical zones. I repeat, this is tropical zone. Okay, temperate zone also is there. We will see next temperate zone. Let me here first of all tropical zone. Tropical zone areas nothing but the regions which are closer to the equatorial region, they are called as what? Tropical zone. Tropical zone, see here, where they are very closer to the equatorial region. See, the north part of the equator is subtropical high pressure. This is called as what? Subtropical. S means subtropical high pressure. This is what subtropical high pressure. As you know that the high pressure moves toward low pressure. The high pressure moves toward low pressure. Now you are knowing what? You are knowing about what? Trade winds. Trade winds. Trade means track. Trade. This word has derived from German language. Trade means track. This is what? Subtropical high pressure belts, they are giving rises to form this wind. The direction is northeast direction. Northeast direction. Where is north? This is north and this is east. So that is why we call this what? Northeast direction. So I am going to conclude here regarding trade winds. Trade winds blowing in northern hemisphere in the direction of northeast direction. This is what? Northeastern direction. So they are bringing plenty of water toward the equatorial low pressure. Now come to here, second one. This one also this one also high pressure zone only. So these are also, they are blowing this direction. They are blowing, say, southeast direction. They are also blowing this direction. This wind force is called as what? Trade wind. Now you go for next one is westerlies. Westerlies winds, where how they are blowing, we go for next one. Okay, I erase. Next one is, okay, now I'll take one more. Westerlies winds, again you just see here one by one. Clearly you learn here. This is what? This is equatorial. This one is what? Subtropical high pressure zone. Subtropical high pressure SH. After subpolar low pressure will be subpolar SUB, subpolar low pressure PL, subpolar low pressure belt. Same way here also subpolar low pressure will be. What is this? Subpolar SUB, subpolar pressure will be. These subpolar low pressure belts, they are receiving from subtropical high pressure in the direction of east to west direction that needed to say. These are the wind forces. They are blowing from where? They are blowing from west to east direction. So that is why we call these winds as westerlies winds. I hope it is clearly understanding. Okay, later I show clearly that slides. Okay, so likewise here again, here what is this? Here this is low pressure belt. Now here these winds are also moving from north to east direction. This is north direction for this is southern hemisphere. They are blowing from, see here, this direction. What is that? North to east direction they are blowing. As you know that the last one is polar high pressure zone will be. This is what? Polar high pressure. This is what? Polar high pressure. Okay, so polar high pressure belt is moving. Now we able to see here. Now what I said, what I explained here. Come on, let you recall here. This is what? Equatorial low pressure area. This is what? Equatorial low pressure area. So this is wherever there is this this is what? Equatorial low pressure area. It is contain of one more name, that is what? Doldrum. It is known as what? Doldrum. Where to where they are blowing? Nana, see here, northeast. See, this is what? N, northeast direction. They are blowing in this direction. Why? As you know that the high pressure moves toward low pressure areas. See here, this one also, as you know that equator making the globe into two equal halves. See here, 30 degrees latitude, that is what? Subtropical high pressure. Here also 30 degrees latitude has contain of high pressure, that is subtropical high pressure belt. So these winds also, they are giving water toward equatorial area. So that is why equatorial region, they are receiving more rainfall, that leads to form evergreen forest. Evergreen, EGF, evergreen forest is existing from where to where? Wherever the equatorial over the globe, especially Nigeria, in Africa, Brazil, in South America, in East Asian countries also, like Singapore, Thailand, these countries, even in India, Andaman Nicobar Islands, these regions, they are receiving this type of evergreen forest. Okay. Now planetary winds means, now the winds that blow continuously and regularly above the world pressure belts. I repeat, the winds that blow continuously and regularly above the world pressure belts, these are called as what? Planetary winds. Okay, now we understood. Okay, this is what best example how that winds they are blowing, as I told. See now, if it is clearly understanding for you, I think. See, they are blowing. The red color indicating what? That is that the red color indicating low pressure areas. So ultimately that low pressure areas, they are getting, the low pressure belts, they are getting high pressure belts. So that is why they are getting rainfall. So here now we are observing here convectional wind forces there. So due to sunshine, this area is receiving high temperature. That high temperature making that area as low temperature. So whenever the air is heated, okay, it is going to be risen, and later it become cool. That cool means they are giving rainfall. This is what convectional rainfall. Now we will see next. Now this is the wind forces, how they are once you see this video. Okay, this is a GIF image. Okay, now this is a last part of this video. Trade winds, one by one. The trade winds blow in tropical areas, as I have explained with my own pen. That is trade winds. Trade means track. It is a German word. Trade means track. Next, the westerly winds blow in temperate areas. The westerly winds, they are blowing in where? Temperate zones. Polar winds blow in polar regions. Okay, fourth one I am reading. Trade winds, the meaning of the trade winds, easterly winds. Okay, these are the short questions can come. Trade winds means easterly winds. Easterly winds called as what? Trade winds. Next, fifth one. Trade wind blows east to west direction. I repeat, trade winds, they are blowing from east to west direction. Already I have shown for you. Now sixth one is trade wind called in northern hemisphere as northeast trade winds. Very important. Trade winds called in northern hemisphere as northeast trade winds. Now next, seventh one is trade winds of southern hemisphere is called southeast trade winds. Southeast trade winds. Now last one is westerlies. They blow from west to east direction. I hope it is clearly understood, and we will complete this lesson video by next video. Until wait, Nana. Thank you one and all.